Do you feel called to work with Kambo? Navigating the multitude of practitioner training options, it can be daunting, but selecting the right path is essential for your personal growth and mastery of this sacred medicine. At the Kambo Practitioner Alliance, we're here to help you make an informed decision. In this video, we'll delve into what makes a training program truly exceptional, the essential questions you should be asking, and the practical insights needed to align your choice with your deepest values and aspirations. By the end, you'll be equipped with the clarity and confidence to choose a path that not only enhances your skills, but also honors the rich traditions of Kambo. Let's get into it. Before diving into the sea of training options, take a moment to reflect on your why. Why do you feel drawn to Kambo? Perhaps you've experienced profound healing yourself, finding relief from mental or physical challenges. Maybe you've witnessed the transformative impact Kambo has had on a loved one, sparking a desire to guide others on their healing journey. You may feel a calling to connect deeper with nature and its ancient wisdom, or a strong urge to be of service to others, helping them find healing and balance. Understanding your deeper motivations will help you align with a program that truly supports your journey. Once you've connected with your why, the next step is understanding what to look for in a training program. An effective program should prepare you to work with Kambo in a way that honors both its scientific foundations and its spiritual origins, while respecting the rich cultural traditions it came from. Not all programs are created equal, so it's essential to find one that meets a high standard of quality and aligns with your goals. Consider key factors like a comprehensive curriculum that extends beyond the basics, providing a robust foundation for your Kambo practice. This includes understanding the physiological effects of Kambo and learning the necessary safety protocols for ethical and responsible practice. Equally as important is connecting with the ceremonial traditions and sacredness of the medicine passed down through generations. A strong curriculum should include an introduction to Kambo and its history. This is where you'll learn the origins of Kambo, its cultural significance, and its use by indigenous communities. The science behind Kambo. Here, you can gain insights into the physiological effects and detoxification process of Kambo, supported by the latest research and data. Safety protocols. To learn the best practices for administering Kambo treatments responsibly, ensuring safety and efficacy. Spiritual and ceremonial understanding. Develop a respectful and intentional approach to working with Kambo's sacred energy, embracing its spiritual and ceremonial aspects. Practical Kambo application techniques. Master safe and effective methods for applying Kambo, including different points and techniques. Contraindications and safety assessments. Here you can develop the ability to assess clients thoroughly, identify contraindications, and ensure that treatments are safe and effective. Holding space and boundaries. This is where you can understand how to create a safe, supportive, and ethical environment for your clients, learn to maintain professional boundaries, and provide care that honors your role as a practitioner. Client care and aftercare. This is all about learning the importance of aftercare, helping clients integrate their experience for deeper healing and transformation. One-to-one in-person training. Seek programs that offer individualized attention, allowing you to practice techniques under close supervision and receive tailored feedback to build your confidence. Code of practice. Ensure the program emphasizes ethical and professional standards, teaching you how to uphold integrity and respect for both clients and the medicine. Ethical practice and sustainability. You can explore the importance of ethical sourcing and sustainable practices, respecting the origins and sacredness of Kambo. Building your practice. This is where you gain practical knowledge on how to establish a successful Kambo practice, including communication, marketing, and fostering a supportive community. In addition to a strong curriculum, consider these essential aspects that will enrich your training experience and support your journey as a Kambo practitioner. Hands-on experience. Practical application is essential when learning to work with Kambo. Choose a program that offers supervised hands-on training with real clients. This not only builds your confidence, but also ensures you're well prepared to practice safely and effectively. qualified instructors. The experience and integrity of your trainers are crucial. Make sure the program is led by practitioners who have a deep understanding of Kambo and its origins, many years of experience, a connection with the frog itself, as well as a strong track record of safe and ethical practice. Ongoing support and community. Your learning doesn't end when the training finishes. A good training program will provide ongoing mentorship and access to a community of like-minded practitioners. This support can be invaluable as you navigate your journey. Respect for ethical and sustainable practices. Finally, ensure that the program upholds ethical standards and respects the origins of Kambo. This includes sourcing medicine sustainably from known sources and maintaining a strong connection to the indigenous communities who have shared this sacred tradition with the world. By taking these factors into account, you can feel confident that the training program you choose will not only prepare you with the skills and knowledge you need, but also honor the integrity of Kambo and its traditions. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time to dig deeper by asking the right questions. A great program should not only meet your expectations, but also be transparent about its approach, curriculum, and support. When evaluating a Kambo training program, it's crucial to ask the organizers these important questions. What experience and qualifications do the trainers have? Ensure the trainers have extensive experience with Kambo, a deep understanding of its origins, and a strong track record of teaching safely and ethically. Are the trainers open to a video call? Speaking directly with the trainers can give you a better sense of their energy, teaching style, and whether they're a good fit for you. A reputable trainer should be open to connecting in this way to address your questions and provide clarity. Does the program cover contraindications and client safety in depth? Understanding who can and cannot safely receive Kambo is one of the most important aspects of being a practitioner. This includes recognizing specific health conditions, medications, and client scenarios that may require extra caution or disqualify someone from receiving Kambo. How are water guidelines taught? The use of water during Kambo treatments is critical to client safety. It is essential to choose a program that provides clear, science-backed guidance on water protocols, including the correct amount to use, how to monitor clients during treatments, and when adjustments may be necessary. What is included in the fee? Some programs provide equipment, materials, accommodation, or meals, while others may not. Be clear on what you're paying for. Does the program offer in-person training? In-person sessions provide the opportunity for hands-on practice under close supervision, which is essential for building confidence and competency. What kind of support is available after certification? Look for programs that provide ongoing mentorship, access to a practitioner network, and opportunities for continued learning. Asking these questions will help you identify a program that not only equips you with the skills you need, but also provides the support and community to help you thrive as a practitioner. Ultimately, trust your instincts. A reputable program will welcome your questions, provide clear and thoughtful answers, and ensure you feel fully informed before making a commitment. If anything feels unclear or rushed, consider it as a red flag. Once you've gathered all the information and asked the right questions, remember that choosing a Kambo Practitioner training program is not just a logical decision, it's also a deeply personal one. Take a moment to reflect on everything you've learned. Ask yourself, does this program resonate with my values and goals? Do I feel aligned with the energy and approach of the trainers? Am I excited about what this program has to offer? And do I feel confident in its ability to prepare me for this path? Your intuition is a powerful guide. Sometimes the right program isn't just about ticking every box on your checklist, it's the one that feels right in your heart. Remember, this is the beginning of a transformational journey. By trusting your instincts and choosing a program that feels aligned with your purpose, you're taking a powerful step towards becoming the practitioner you're meant to be. It's a commitment to growth, healing, and sharing this powerful medicine with the world. Now, on to the final step. Reach out to the organizers, confirm your place, and get ready for this exciting chapter. This journey, it's about more than techniques, it's about transformation. As a Kambo practitioner, you'll serve others, honor the sacred origins, and support healing. You're not alone. You'll join a community that shares your passion and commitment. Take that first step with confidence. The right training will equip you with the skills and foundation to make a real difference. What's most important to you when choosing a training program? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with others on this path. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration.